Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Deva Bratt's Sweet Victory, Throw Forward, a track that's raw and unapologetic. This diss track explodes in with a barrage of clash, 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 before hitting hard with lines like, "But give him ears and listen to his story. For me, no one feet take his time, nor his glory." Deva Bratt lays it on thick. He warns, "You should never call me name lame adversary," and challenges the game with, "Life's a game, but it's not fair. I break the rules so I don't care, so I keep doing my own thing, walking tall against the rain." Then he flips the script with raw imagery, like, "Sean Storm do nothing, 'cause I come like a swan," and ends with a defiant shout, "Victory." What I love about this track is its fearless delivery and relentless attitude. Deva Bratt doesn't hold back. He blends aggressive wordplay with a rebellious spirit, forcing you to confront the harsh realities of the streets. I'm giving Sweet Victory a solid 4 out of 5. It's provocative, energetic, and a must listen if you're into unfiltered diss tracks. Like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments.